What's up, guys? Today is a night of video. Today we are checking out for the first time my new merch. Whoa!
Whoa, jamming with Jaden. Merch for us.
What's this tag for?
The tags are on shirts to tell you what size it is. It says it's your size.
Okay.
I bet.
I want to cut it off.
Okay, give it to me and I'll rip it. I bet everybody talk to people about your merch. Does anybody else have some merch?
Hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you want some merch.
Okay. Here, that's the best we're gonna do. It has to have that part of the tag, bud. Okay, just put it on. I'm gonna pause it so that you can put it on since you still have your school shirt on, right? Do it again. And he's back. Check it out. Doesn't everybody want a Jammin' with Jaden shirt like that? I can't wait to try mine on. All right, next time, tell them what we're doing this weekend on Jammin' with Jaden. With your brothers and sisters.
Oh, this weekend we're gonna make a video on Among Us one. So check that video out. Okay, bye. Subscribe to the channel. Bye. Bye.